Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Vikas Academy. In this video, we are going to start daily current affairs of 8th and 9th January 2023. But before starting this session, if you have not subscribed our channel, then subscribe it and press the bell icon for further notifications. So let's start with the first news. आज की हमारी फर्स्ट न्यूज़ है लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड एट जयपुर फिल्म फेस्टिवल. सो ये लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड दिया गया वेटरन एक्टर एंड डायरेक्टर अपर्णा सिंह एट द opening ceremony of 15th edition of the Jaipur International Film Festival. So in this Lifetime Achievement Award at Jaipur Film Fest, Grammy Award winner Ricky Cage, film script writer Kamlesh Pandey, screenplay writer film producer Heather Hill and others were present at the opening ceremony. और हमारी नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ में है इंटरनेशनल हॉकी फेडरेशन ने पार्टनरशिप की है विद JSW ग्रुप. सो फॉर द अपकमिंग हॉकी इंटरनेशनल हॉकी फेडरेशन उड़ीसा हॉकी मेंस वर्ल्ड कप 2023 जो कि भुवनेश्वर एंड रूरकेला में होगी. सो इसके लिए FIH दैट इज़ इंटरनेशनल हॉकी फेडरेशन ने पार्टनरशिप की है विद JSW ग्रुप विच विल स्टार्ट लेटर दिस मंथ. सो in the Inspire Institute of Sport as well as Olympic training centers across the country, this group has created an Olympic training institute. और हमारी नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ में है हॉकी वाली सरपंच जिनका नाम है नीरू यादव इम्पैक्ट विद नाबार्ड. सो इन्होंने जो इम्पैक्ट किया है विद नाबार्ड विद एम टू स्ट्रेंथन फार्मर्स ऑफ लंबी अहिर विलेज and to start the Farmers Producer Organization, which is a legal entity formed by primary producers in partnership with SIIRD, that is Society of Indian Institute of Rural Development. So ये जो नीरू यादव है has been nominated as Board of Directors of Sachi Saheli Mahila Agro Producer Company Limited, जो कि 15th Farmer Producer Organization है, which is launched by NABARD in राजस्थान. और हमारी नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ में है द वॉइस ऑफ ग्लोबल साउथ समिट जिसे होस्ट करने वाले हैं इंडिया. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉरेन सेक्रेटरी विनय क्वात्रा, द वॉइस ऑफ ग्लोबल साउथ समिट जो कि होने वाली है ऑन January 12 to 13 will be conducted by India as India currently holds the presidency of the G20 group and up to 120 countries will participate in this summit. So, to share perspectives and priorities on a common platform, this summit brings together countries of the global south. और ये जो वॉइस ऑफ ग्लोबल साउथ समिट है इसकी थीम है यूनिटी ऑफ वॉइस, यूनिटी ऑफ पर्पस. और नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ में है 17th प्रवासी भारतीय सम्मान अवार्ड 2023. So for outstanding achievement both in India and abroad, Indian government selected 27 Indians living overseas for the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award, that is PBSA. So ये जो प्रवासी भारतीय सम्मान अवार्ड्स है ये हाईएस्ट ऑनर है जो कि नॉन रेजिडेंट इंडियंस पे कॉन्फर किया गया, इसी के साथ पर्सन्स ऑफ इंडियन ओरिजिन दैट इज़ PIOs. और ये जो प्रवासी भारतीय सम्मान अवार्ड्स है इट विल बी कॉन्फर्ड बाय प्रेसिडेंट द्रौपदी मुर्मू during the 17th edition of PBSA. So this PBSA is scheduled to be held from 8th to 10th Jan in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. और हमारी नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ में है फर्स्ट वुमेन क्रिकेटर टू हैव अ स्कल्पचर अनवील्ड एट सिडनी क्रिकेट ग्राउंड. सो ऑस्ट्रेलिया की जो बेलिंदा क्लार्क है हैज़ बीन डिक्लेयर्ड एज द फर्स्ट फीमेल क्रिकेटर टू हैव अ ब्रॉन्ज स्कल्पचर unveiled outside Sydney Cricket Ground and the first cricketer to score a double 100 in one-day internationals. So जो बेलिंदा क्लार्क का जो स्टैचू है ये रिची बिनोट, फ्रेड स्टैन मैकबे एंड स्टीव वॉक इनके साथ ही यहाँ पर प्लेस किया गया है. और हमारी नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ में है सेंटर स्वदेश दर्शन सेकेंड वर्जन स्कीम. So the new tourism policy, the Swadesh Darshan second version scheme is promote is to promote Mysuru and Hampi, which is among the 19 places identified across the 8 states and union territories in India. So Mysuru and Hampi are the two popular destinations in Karnataka और इसे प्रमोट किया जा रहा है with the aim to focus on reviving a destination tourism. So this destination played an important role in the history of South India and has seen high football throughout the year. और हमारी नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ में है इनॉग्रेशन ऑफ Genome Editing Training Center in Mohali. So National Genome Editing and Training Center and a 4-day international conference on food and nutritional security 2023, that is IFANS, have been inaugurated by the Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh at National Agri Food Biotechnology Institute NABI in Mohali, Punjab. So ये जो National Genome Editing and Training Center है is a one-roof state-of-the-art facility that works with the aim to cater to the regional needs to adopt various genome editing methods. और हमारी next news में है Gareth Bale, who is about to announce retirement from professional football. So Gareth Bale has announced retirement from professional football at the age 33. So Gareth Bale broke the previous Wales record of 28 goals set by Ian Rush in his Wales debut in May 2006 against Trinidad and Tobago. So Gareth Bale has won Wales Player of the Year award 6 times and played a Wales record of 111 games for his country. So Gareth Bale was declared as a 5-time Champions League winner with Real Madrid. और हमारी नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ में है फर्स्ट एवर ABBFIA Formula E World Championship which is to be conducted by Hyderabad. So for the prestigious event getting underway, Hyderabad to host first ever ABBFIA Formula E World Championship race in India on Feb 11. So it will be the 4th race of the season 9 of Formula E. The first 3 include Mexico City and Riyadh, that is 2nd and 3rd. So a total of 11 teams with 22 cars including some of the top racing companies which is about to participate in this event of 2.8 kilometers. So ये थे आज के हमारे 8th and 9th January 2023 के current affairs. So that's all for today. Thank you.